Hey you! Ha ha! Yeah, you. I see you looking at me. I just want you to know I'm here to clear up a myth. And the myth I'm going to clear up is, what is a pyramid scam? What actually is a pyramid? Most people think a pyramid scam is like a multi-level marketing. And I'm not here selling multi-level marketing. I'm just here to clear it up. Multi-level marketing is not a pyramid scam. A pyramid scam is where you usually have some type of investment fund that you're putting money into, that the new people coming in are paying the people up top. That's a pyramid scam. I mean, if you have a friend that you ever hear talking about, oh, someone called and tried to get me involved with the pyramid scheme, ask them, did they even take the time to look to see what that person was offering? And I'm going to go out on a limb here, and I'm going to say they did not take the time to look, because everyone that tells me that what I have is a pyramid scheme, or they think it might be a pyramid scheme, before they even look or know what I'm offering, they never look. So I'm assuming that's not an anomaly. I'm thinking it happens often. I know it just can't be happening to me. So if you think something is a pyramid scheme and you don't even look, you're just making it all up out of thin blue air and making a bunch of assumptions from nothing. What I would like you to do, if you're looking to create success, is to understand first what a pyramid is. A pyramid scheme is a scheme put together usually for investors, where the investment coming in, there's someone putting in money, then the people above them get the money, and that keeps feeding each other, and the more people that come in, maybe even everyone until the last people get some type of money back. The people up top make a whole lot of money. So what ends up happening is people think things are a pyramid scheme, and when they're not. They'll even look at the company I'm part of, which is we do direct sales. They'll look at the company I'm part of and say it's a pyramid scheme, and I start asking questions like, what about it's a pyramid? So you don't think we have a bunch of people making a lot of money? And and right there, that usually has people stopped in their tracks, because when they look around, they know a lot of us are making a lot of money. Then okay, well, so what do you think? We're not going to pay you if you make a sale? And they'll go, oh, no, I think you might get paid. So what about it as a pyramid? Nothing. Now, the people that think this before they even have a look never have a look, which they're most likely not the type of people we want on our team anyway. But the whole point of this video is, if you're going to say something out of your mouth, if you're going to call something a pyramid, make sure you have pyramid scheme defined and understand what it is. In most cases, it is not multi-level marketing, which I'm not part of a multi-level marketing company. Nothing bad about that. But the point in case is we have a really cool opportunity. It's very beneficial. And if you're looking for a way to grow success, if you've ever been looking to get into any type of business or real estate, we teach business structure, tax, credit, interest, how to save interest, all that. And we also teach how to find, acquire, and purchase real estate at a discounted rate. If any of that even remotely interests you, click the link below or comment below, and we will get a hold of you. Thank you.